How's it going, guys? So I got home from work and I don't have a lot of time, and sorry about the background noise because I got a couple fans going. Water heater leaked all over my carpet and my landlord came and fixed it, and it appears that they came and tried to take care of the wet spot as best they could, and they got fans going. But anyway, I just got this package. Got some stuff from ZZP, and as you can tell, I'm a big supporter of ZZP, if you can look at my shirt. So I just wanted to share an unboxing video with you. Alright, so I have bought plenty of stuff from ZZP. So we'll just go ahead and open this box with one hand as best as I can. Come on. That didn't work. Oh, Black Friday sale advertisement. Hold on. Got it. What do we got? Oh, we got the statement. 70% discount Black Friday sale. Oh, have to check that out. And a sticker, as usual. Probably more in here. Maybe. Alright. Look at this. So we got the ZZP Camel Thermal sweatshirt. We got the brand new hoodie. And we got the ugly sweater. W body. We got a couple different styles. This is the W body one. I like how they use the 04 to 08 because that's the uglier one for the ugly sweater. Well, that appears to be it. Why don't we get this hoodie out of here? Okay, guys, I have to say this is pretty nice. I do like this hoodie. Got their logo on the front. I like the style. It's pretty nice overall. Flip it over. Their new style logo. That's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's the unboxing. But I gotta get going here soon, so I'll catch you guys next time.